Say if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. And if you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good morning, boys and girls. How are you doing today? Today is Wednesday, November 11, 2020. And outside we are having a sunny weather. A sunny weather. Say a sunny weather. All right. So it's all about your senses, 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 senses. It's all about them. Now, we are talking about our senses and we're moving on. We did sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of hearing. So we're moving on to another sense today. And that one is the sense of tasting. The sense of tasting. Now, I wonder what we use to taste. Which one of my bright boys and girls can tell me what we use to taste? Did I hear you say your tongue? Yes, we use our tongue to taste, and our tongue is inside of our mouth. So we use our tongue to taste. Now, I can taste things that are sour. I can taste things that are sweet. And I can taste things that are salty. Now, let's taste some things. Let's do some little taste up. Hold on just a moment. Now, I am going to taste this one. What's this one? It's a lime. Now, I wonder what this one is going to taste like. So I'm going to stick out my tongue. And I'm going to taste. Sour, man. This one is sour. Now, let mommy give you a lime and tell mommy. Let you taste it and tell teacher what it tastes like. Sour, man. I don't like the sour one at all. Now, I'm going to taste something else. What's this? Salt. Come again. This one is salty. What do you know tastes salty? Banana chips. Cheese tricks. Yes, man, those things are salty and cheesy. The snack things. All right, I'm going to taste one more. What's this? I love the taste of this one. This one is sweet. Tell me something that you know tastes sweet. Candy. Yes, cake. Icing on the cake. Those are sweet. So we use our sense of taste to taste things. So we can taste things that are salty, things that are sweet, things that are sour, like the lime. All right. So in your textbooks, let's learn together our Island Jamaica, page 68. You're going to color the thing that you use to taste, and that is your tongue. Yes, man. So you're going to open your mouth and look at your tongue and see the color that it has. Yes, it also has the kind of pinkish color because we have to keep our tongues clean. So when we brush our teeth and we are washing out our mouth, you stick out your tongue and brush it off and wash it off with fresh water to keep our tongues clean. So catch you later, boys and girls. So we gone how many senses already? 4. Sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of hearing, and now we are at sense of tasting. Catch you later.